Well, I was talking about a week ago about the hand distancer tool and how pathetic that was. And now we've got another stupid tool here. What I've found. The pedal knob. Yes, you got it right. The pedal knob. Designed actually, I think, for all the... I've probably called it knob because you've got to be a fucking knob to purchase it. The fucking pedal knob, eh? What a fucking joke. Only for all you brain dead morons out there who've soaked up all the coronavirus scamdemic and believe in it all you idiots who walk about wearing your masks, sat in your car with your windows up wearing your mask, gloves on walking around the shops, and this is exactly the tool for you. Never have to touch your door handle again. How fantastic is that, eh? You'll be able to sleep at night if you buy yourself one of these. Fucking unreal, innit? Huh? The pedal knob for the knobs. Source it out and go grab yourself one. All you paranoid, delusional fucking freak zombies out there. Passing germs on is a way of life. I led to believe, and it makes a lot of sense. Just eradicating touching anything, it can only make matters a whole lot worse. Just does not make any sense whatsoever.